question is, did DJI do what they said they would do and repair my drone? Watch to the end to find out. Hello, good morning all. You may recall I was doing this trip a couple of weeks ago, heading to Wyman Brook in the Peak District. And the plan really is just to test out my DJI Mini 4 Pro. It's a drone. I've got a trip planned in the summer, so I want to make sure that, you know, from an operational and a performance perspective, that the drone does what it says on the tin. So it's a little bit of a, I suppose, down test and adjust session. Fingers crossed I'll get to know the limitations of the drone, play around with the various features, and hopefully the video that you're watching now will give you a little bit of an example and a flavour as to what the drone can do. For now, I'm currently sat on the M18, heading up towards the M1, out towards Sheffield, back end of Sheffield into the Peak District. Yeah, it's a great day so far. Grab yourself a coffee, sit back, relax and enjoy the view. Walking down towards Wyman Brook. This is where it all went wrong last week. So hopefully we'll have a better week this week. So we're walking back down, I suppose, the main path of Wyman Brook. It's not really a path, it's quite undulating. There's a lot of fallen wood, trees being felled, etc. But it's pretty quiet and it's certainly worth having a walk down here. So this is the area where I put the drone into the water last week. So I'm going to have a bit more of a play around, trying to balance from rock to rock. I say hopefully I'll exercise a little bit more caution today. Hopefully you can hear me with the water on in the background, it is quite noisy. But certainly don't envisage turning obstacle avoidance off. I want to be a little bit more sensible. So yeah, this is Wyman Brook. I'd certainly recommend you guys come in for a bit of a walk, either with your dog, friends and family. quite a nice area. So, may the journey continue. Enjoy the footage. Continuing the journey down, quite a few bridges down here as well. It's quite pleasant, nice little area. The water's flowing quite well. There's a few dog walkers coming past, a couple of chappies doing some photography as well, so it's been quite a good day so far.
We're chasing stars, we're breaking rules, our hearts are loud, we're no fools. Every moment we're in control. This is our time, this is our gold. Living now, living loud. Don't let the moment slip away somehow. We're here, we're free, we're strong. Living now and move along.
Well, so far so good. Drone survived. I've done a couple of active shots. I've taken some photos now up and down the brook. I found a nice little spot here. Perfect spot for a coffee. And then just testing the drone now. A little bit of hovering backwards and forwards and some quick shots. I'm going to quickly practice the rocket shot, they call it.
We're chasing stars, we're breaking rules. Our hearts are loud, we're no fools. Every moment we're in control. This is our time, this is our gold. Living now, living loud. Don't let the moment slip away somehow. We're here, we're free, we're strong. Living now and move along. The night is young.
That's quite a pleasant walk through the forestry. We're getting to a place called Revelin Reservoir now. So I'm hoping to get the drone out here, plot a couple of waypoints, come across the reservoir, up to the dam and beyond, and hopefully it'll be positive. Yeah, it's looking pretty good.
I just came round to say goodbye, but you weren't there. We've been working hard, but we're falling apart. So I'm going, cause this ain't my love song. I've been crying all night. This time there's no way out. So goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I just wanna say goodbye, goodbye, cause this ain't my love song. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Time has taken its toll on me. I'm so tired of this, the same story. We just need to be free. We're dying inside. I can't pretend that we're doing fine. So goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I just wanna say goodbye, goodbye, cause this ain't my love song. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. So goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I just wanna say goodbye, goodbye, cause this ain't my love song. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. song, hold the tears, hold the fears. So goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I just wanna say goodbye, goodbye. 'Cause this ain't my love song. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. So goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I just wanna say goodbye, goodbye. 'Cause this ain't my love song. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
Okay, so I'm leaving the dam now. I managed to set a couple of waypoints. Still a complete novice. So what I did was set a couple of points beyond the dam, coming across the water, turn around and then sort of go back out in reverse. So yeah, it was quite interesting. Still a long way to go though. So I'm now heading into Foxholes Plantation. I'm going to head back up to the brook, find the other reservoir and see what else I can do. Quite interesting. I seem to have taken a detour somewhere. I'm not too sure if I should belong here either. Let's continue. Looks to be part of the old waterworks. You'll see, Yorkshire water. No deliveries accepted. Sorry, I'm not here to deliver today. Just having a look. That was quite interesting. Met a couple of young chappies up there on the edge of the reservoir, taking some dive bombs and somersaults, etc. into the water. So I thought I'd give an opportunity to get them a bit of footage. Taking the number, so I'll send the footage on to them. Yeah, it's lunchtime now. We've got a pretty good spot here, right here to the reservoir. There's a couple of ducks floating by, got the camera set up, and spot of lunch, back to the car park, and make my way home. Okay, Okay guys, that's a wrap on today. 4.5 hours on my feet. Started quite early this morning, got down to Wyman Brook, went down to the reservoirs and then back up to the top end also. So today was all about testing the drone to make sure that DJI did what they said they would do. They're going to replace the motherboard, the gimbal and the battery, all from water damage from my previous trip down here. So, did DJI perform as they said they would? They did indeed. They replaced the entire drone. So I started with a brand new drone. Thank you very much DJI, top customer service. Well done.